Hello everyone. Today is a big day. I haven't posted an episode about building my wagon in 3 months. So today we're taking care of a big thing on the list. We're not 100% taking care of it, but it's a step in the right direction. I'm going to work on the rust, the main parts of it, to get it kind of like more drivable. So if nobody knows, if you're just watching this for the first time and you haven't seen any of the other episodes of this build series, this car is my 1983 300 TD wagon S123. I nicknamed it Sally after a character in an old TV show, and it's my dream car. So I went out and bought the shittiest one I could find, and now it needs way more work than I ever thought it would. So that's what this build series is about. I'm really excited to do it, and I like to create content and stuff. So if you're new to my channel, that is why I'm explaining this. If you're not, welcome to another video, and there's going to be a lot more because I have a lot to do. So today we're going to be focusing on the rust. I'm from California, and I got a car from the Northeast, and I'm new to the fact that they just disappear after a while into brown dust. There's a lot of things I need to take care of. Some of it I've already taken care of, some of it I'm halfway through. Today we're kind of documenting that, especially the rust in the floorboards. So if you have a 123, you probably understand that the drains clog up and they get rust and things leak, and then the floor falls out of the bottom of the car. So that's what I'm taking care of today. I am patching it and welding in new panels. Regarding my repairs and the design of my repairs, I have talked to somebody who used to work on these cars, a collision technician when they were, new in the 80s, and asked him what the best way to repair this kind of damage would be. And he told me to, when I can, I'll go into what I thought first of all. I thought first of all, I would overlap the panels to make it stronger and stuff, and he told me that I can seamlessly weld the panels together. I can make a template and then cut the old around the new and weld them together. And when that's all done, not spot welding, like completely weld them all the way around, then I can seam seal that like joint. Even though it's not really a joint, it's just a place where two pieces met. So with that being said, that is what I'm doing for most of it. Obviously there's special areas to do, like some corner pieces where that's not really possible. So that's what I'm working on today. It is, I believe, February 18th, right? 19th. And I've gotten a burst of motivation to get a lot of this done. It's a beautiful, sunny Saturday in Southern California, so it's kind of hot. Another reason why I wanted to talk about this, one thing that kind of threw a wrench in my plan to have this done earlier is that when you cut and grind and weld pieces of this car, it's kind of inevitable that you're going to accidentally set the undercoating on fire, or the seam sealant, or the sound deadening, stuff like that. So when that burns or when you grind it up, there's like 30 million toxins in the air. So I really don't want to be doing that in my garage. I kind of want more of a ventilated workspace. So today I've picked today to be able to roll the car out, open up all the doors, and have like a jet engine pushing the air out. So yeah, that's another reason why we're doing it today. I'm excited to document it, man. I pushed the car out. That was a mission and a half, let me tell you. Here's all my interior that I have, most of it. Shows you I don't have all of it. I have the back seats and they're in mint condition. And the rest of the stuff, I have everything labeled, taken out of it. Everything I care about, So the original carpeting has had like 840 raccoons pee on it. So I don't really care about it if I get sparks or metal in it. So yeah, I have it out now, and now we can start cutting and welding and cutting and welding. So pretty swag, if you ask me, So I've gotten the car set up to get the stink out of it, and I'm going to start welding.
Okay. This isn't like normal welding. It's so thin that you have to go really, really slow. It's not like boom. It's like whap. Whap. Whap, That's a little bit better. Yeah, I think. Yeah. It might be on fire, but it's working. You know? Oh yeah.
Hello everyone, I'm just checking in. I'm welding. It's like when I put these panels in, I have to basically spot weld and wait like 2 or 3 seconds between each spot weld, and so it's time consuming, but it's going good, and I'm really happy to be doing it. I feel really silly with this microphone my camera woman's making me use, but we're getting it done for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this project as much as I do, because at the end of the day, we all have projects, whether yours is can of shit like mine, whether or not it's the journey in building the projects. It took me a long time to realize that, and when you realize that, it's more fun to do it. Obviously, repairing rust isn't very fun, but it has to be done. We have to save the old cars. Yeah. One day I'll make a shirt that says that, so. Oh!
There we go.
Hello everyone. So this panel's kind of like 75% done. There's a lot of work to still be done around the edges and stuff, and I have to seam seal it once that's done, which I kind of consider the fun part. But with that being said, this takes a lot longer than you think. Like, you know, I knew it was going to take a long time, but even with that being said, it's like it takes a couple hours just for one panel, and especially one that's kind of big. So it's going to take a couple more days of me doing this, which is it's going to be okay. It's going to be worth it in the end, but it's definitely a long process. So there'll probably be a couple more videos about rust, but then once that's done, no more rust, and it'll be fantastic. Well, I'm calling it a day for today. It was pretty successful. Obviously, like most projects, I didn't get everything done in one day, but we're getting there slowly but surely. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. And if you like my videos, you can like and subscribe for more silly stuff. Yeah. Oh yes, I hit 300 subscribers. Thank you guys. We're on the road to greatness. 3 stickers. 3 stickers. Oh.